says your speech was good. You thanked the speaker, and you also stated about your grandfather. I think we saw inside.
Thank
What was
you.
the moment at the time?
It was a very emotional moment for me because my grandfather was three-time MLA in Tamil Nadu Assembly. He served the people of Tamil Nadu.
Explain for the audience.
He was three-time member of Legislative Assembly of Tamil Nadu government, and he had spoken in this August Assembly three terms. His name is Talabadi K. Vinayagam. He was what I would say is when Tirthani was considered along with Andhra Pradesh, Tirthani and many of the veteran leaders fought against it and brought Tirthani back to Tamil Nadu. It was a very emotional moment for me to stand in the same place and talk about him. And I sincerely take his best blessings on this August day. And even my younger brother, Dr. M.K. Vishnu Prasad, has also served in this assembly for one term. So it is. Yes. It is a very emotional moment for me, and flanked by all my brothers here, and talking about him and about our party. It is a very emotional moment and very proud and happy moment for me.
DMK is a party which continuously fought. Even we have seen protest. We have seen arrest of your cadres against the opening of taskmats, and you have demanded. I can recollect Anbumani sir who was protesting against this TASMAC shop and the demand by the DMK to closure of TASMAC. And we have seen the election promises of the former government, whether it is DMK or ADMK, they said that we will close the TASMAC shop in the phase plan, but it didn't happen. But I you see this current TDK government, they have implemented it. They have announced that more than 700 shops will be closed in the premise nearby temples, schools, colleges, and the educational premise. I see this. The women particularly.
Yes, whenever I tour Tamil Nadu, always I am on tour. I visit all the places in Tamil Nadu, and wherever I go, women, they come and approach me asking me only one thing. Even if they want roads or ration shops or any other thing, whatever it is, their main request would be to close the TASMAC shops. But it has fell into deaf ears for the past years, and though Patali Makkal Katchi was a single party which was professing a total alcohol prohibition in the state, and we have put it in all our election manifestos, and we have vehemently campaigned against opening of the TASMAC shops, and now we welcome this move by the new government. But we should be very careful. Whenever there is a TASMAC shop being closed in one area, there are small shops opening in the neighborhoods. It is called the lane shops or Sandakada in Tamil. So one TASMAC shop closes or they get relocated in some other place. That means it is getting opened 5 more, almost triple or quadruple amount, like 4 times more shops are getting opened in the nearby lanes. So that has to be very carefully monitored, and those things have to be stopped. Not only TASMAC shops, 717 shops, if they are closed, then make sure that the small shop doesn't open nearby, and this has to be continued in the not only with this, it has to be it should continue. It is not just one announcement. It has to subsequently systematically follow and close the remaining shops, and make sure we should take care of the health of all the people, and safety of the women should be safeguarded regarding all this.
Why do you see the announcement of the Tamil anthem, which has been stated right now, and now inside the assembly also it's reflected today. Rodini stated that he have also stated on West Bengal governor, who was a former governor of Tamil Nadu. He was adamant in the Tamil Nadu assembly, even boycotted the Tamil Nadu assembly session. Why do you see this? And TMK.
Usually we are a country where we uphold our traditions. So that is what is being talked about today. Let us see. We have more government functions are coming. Let us see what is happening.
And Vijay, you met yesterday, you and Sam at home. Why do you see this new gesture of going to all the leaders?
We, Patali Makkal Katchi, have always been professing about decent politics and developmental politics. And I remember when my husband by Dr. Anbumani Ramadas became the president of Patali Makkal Katchi, he visited all the leaders' house and took their blessings. So it is a nice gesture. Thank you.